So you just got accepted to Like to Know and you're ready to post your very first post. Maybe you have a few pictures ready in your camera roll, or you're going to go out and create some content. I'm going to show you how I create posts in the Like to Know Creator app and give you some tips and tricks as well. So the first thing I like to do is I like to go to my LTK Creator application. And once I click on to the app, the first tab that I see is going to be my earnings or my analytics tab. And then the next tab is going to be the Link Ninja, which allows to link the products to your post. The next tab is going to be the Create and Publish tab. This is where all the magic is going to happen. And the final two tabs is going to be your Folders tab and Search All Products tab. So let's start. So I begin by clicking on the plus sign under the Create and Publish tab. This would bring the Create Post where you could add in your media. Now I had went to Target earlier that day and I took some photos for a product I wanted to post, and I'm going to import this media. You have different options of frame sizes to choose. I like freeform because it allows me to clean up the picture or and make it a lot neater. I didn't notice the box at the bottom was a little dented, so I was able to edit that out. You'll see the tab where you could add a caption, and this is where you would add your caption. For now, I'll put Target shoes. And you're able to add 3 categories to your post. So I'm going to choose 3 categories from the list here. And now I can begin by adding products to this post. So I'm going to click on the Add Product tab, and I'm going to go to Brand Sites, powered by Link Ninja. The first time you come here, you want to search for the store. I have it listed here because I've been doing it a few times, so it's saved. So I'm going to add the Target store here and hit search. So now I'm going to be redirected to the store, and I'm going to search for the product that I want to add to the post. So when I was in the store, I took a picture of the product name so I could search for it later. So now I'm going to type that product name here, and it shows up in the search results. I was lucky it was the first one. So now that I have it here on my screen, I'm going to choose the Select tab at the bottom of the screen. So once I choose the Select tab, I'll let the product load, and I'll have this Add Product to Post tab. From here, I go to Add to Folder, and I click on that tab, and I'm going to create a folder. I have one already, but I'm showing you from start to finish. So I'm going to add a new folder by clicking the plus sign and labeling it as Target Store. And then I'm going to choose that option to add the shoes to my folder. Now that I added that shoe to my folder, I'm going to search for a few more to add to the post. So I like these Women Hope heels, and I'm going to do the same thing. Click Select, allow it to load, go to Add to Folder. I'm going to save it in the folder I created, Target Store. Use my X button to X out, and then the back button to search for more products. I'm going to do that a few more times. I like these shoes here as well. They're quite similar. Hit Select, allow it to load, add to folder, choose my Target Store folder, hit Save, choose the X button, and then go back, and let's look for another one. I like these. Hit Select, add to the folder, save it to the Target Store folder that I saved, exit out and go back. You want to make sure you go back in that exit because it'll start you from the beginning. And I like to choose from the recommended as well. Just to add more products, hit select, folder, add it to the folder, save it, and we're done. Now I have a few products besides the one that I have photo to be able to add. So I'm going to click on my folder and I'm going to search for the folder. You can search by alphabetical or newly created. And if you don't have a lot of folders, you could choose the first one. So I'm going to add all the products that I saved under my Target store folder. And when you do that, they automatically come under the similar products tab option. But I'm going to click the shoe that is in the photo and make that the exact product. So when somebody comes to the page, they'll be able to see that exact product as well as similar products that if they're interested, they can look as well. Now from here, you could choose to immediately schedule your post or you could schedule for a future date. I'm going to schedule this post. And here I'll be able to choose the date and the time I would like the post to appear on my page. So when you head back to your Create and Publish tab, you're able to see your published, scheduled, and drafted post. All right here for you. Here are all my published posts that are on my like to know page. Now that I've done this a few times, I feel really comfortable with setting up a post on the Like to Know Creator app. I'll do another video to show you how I was able to find posts for similar items. I had a picture of an item. I was unable to find the exact item. So I was able to find similar items, and I'll also show you how to do these gallery style posts as well through Canva. So look forward for a few more videos to help you out. I hope this was helpful. Please leave any comments or questions in the description box below, and I'll see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda.